Alright guys, so we're gonna check out this Kuhio Avenue food hall. Kona, you get Kona coffee. Oh, Kona, that's where I wanted to go. Wanna look inside here? Wanna eat something real quick?
You can.
Okay. So this is the, oh, I don't want to film people. So let's do it like this. Hawaiian hoagie. Ooh. Let me go in the middle. Tipsy Tiki. They got Greek Grotto Banzai Burger. Wait, what's that say? Hashi and Spoon. Aloha Pizzeria. Taqueria. Gelato Cafe. Alright guys, I don't want to record people, so I'm gonna stop. Guys, this is Chihu Barbecue. Ooh, mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Woo! Yeah, there's nothing though. Pizzeria. You get barbecue. You get pizzeria. I'm fine, thank you.
Here today?
In here. Yeah.
Your name?
Israel?
I don't want this to be.
Alright guys, so we're at the Bonsai Burger, right? It has like a, yeah, Bonsai Burger. Dun dun dun. Guys, this is the Waimea Burger. And this is the Hawaiian Burger. The Hawaiian Burger has a pineapple and like onions, it look like. Want to lift it up a little bit? Whoa, it's like teriyaki sauce as well. And then mine, it has like onions, it has bacon, it has 2 patties, and yeah, this is the Waimea Burger. Look at that. Yeah, let's try it out. I think there's barbecue sauce in this. This actually, no, garlic. Is there garlic sauce in this? Garlic, right?
No.
That's good. Waimea Burger. Wow.
Really good.
I like that. Everything goes, it's pretty nice. And it's like 2 patties too, so it's like very thick. For the Hawaiian, oh, it's like drenched in teriyaki sauce. Look at that. Look at that. Cheers. It tastes a lot of teriyaki. But mostly teriyaki is what I taste, right?
Yeah. So I had to put some mustard on it to cut it.
Yeah. Pretty sweet. It's a sweet burger. Pretty messy, pretty juicy. So make sure you got a lot of napkins. Like, look at this. The burger I got was really good. I think I prefer the Waimea Burger. You guys check it out. It's at the Kuhio Avenue Food Hall. Guys, this is the Banzai Burger place. We just exited out. Okay, where are we going? We're going back to the hotel?
Yeah.
Okay. This is our room key, guys.
That's so pretty.
This is our room key. Pretty cool. Okay, so our room is 202. Whoa. Yeah. Got it? All right. All right, guys. This is the room. We don't have a balcony, unfortunately. Look at this. Because I'm a, what you call it? Platinum member. They gave this thing, Lily's, whatever. It's a king bed. It looks like there's a surfboard looking thing as a headboard. Oh, enjoy fresh poke. We got water. Yeah, we got water. This is our view. It's the outside, it's the front. It feels nice in here. I wanted a balcony, but that's okay. It's okay. Yeah, this is the room. How do you feel about it? No comment?
Oh, sorry. It looks cute.
Yeah, it's fine.
Bigger than I expected.
It's smaller than I expected. Yeah, this is a nice mirror. Look at that. Yeah, this is it, guys. We need a rest.